to the channel. So today is day 2 of my NVS light install, specifically for the rear. I put the lenses in, definitely a learning experience for me. Hacked up the body a little bit, had some trouble fitting in the lenses and the housings, but all in all, chalk it up to a learning experience. Didn't come out terrible, but it didn't come out great either. I started to get a little frustrated, so I did walk away from everything. What happened was the lights that come with the NVS system, the wire was too short. So just at that point got a little frustrated, decided to call it a video. Today I'm going to solder on an extension and hopefully get this thing done. Kind of actually tired of this project. So solder and iron's warmed up. I'm going to go ahead and just get these wires soldered up. Okay, so everything is soldered together. I used a Tamiya. This is a little clip thing that I got from a Tamiya kit. It's a wire holder down thing. So I put that in place just to hold the wires out of the way. Alright guys, so everything is hooked up. When you turn the wheel, turn signals and all work. It's a little bright, sorry. But a little disappointed with the rear. The way the lights line up to the housings. It just, it puts the brake light up top, and when you hit the turn signal, they're going to be down towards the bottom. It should be reversed. But that's made for a 3mm and that's made for a 5mm, so without hacking this thing all apart again, I don't know, I think it's going to just stay like that. So, it is what it is. This is the way it's going to stay. So I got rear lights, but they're not great. Air conditioner just kicked on, so it's going to get noisy. So is the Axial NVS system worth $99? No. It's more of a pain in the butt than anything. I'd rather just run simple light controllers, run some lights, simple headlights, I guess, whatever is provided. Hacking apart the body, it's going to take a lot more practice to get it down, but overall not completely thrilled at the way this turned out. A ton of wires, it's going to make the body going on and off, pain in the butt. And the NVS may have been made for the SCX10, the originals, honchos, whatever, but this blazer body is just too long, so all the lights in the rear had to be extended. So, end of the day, definitely glad I tried it. Don't think I'll do it again. Alright guys, but if you liked the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care for now.